Guys, welcome back to another drone flight of True Legends. Today we are in Northwick Park in the London Borough of Brent in northwest London. So without further ado, let's take off. Right, drone's up in the air. What we're now going to do a 360 degree photo, and then we're just going to zip around this area. So I just done a drone flight in Uxbridge in the London Borough of Hillingdon, which is also in West London, or was it Northwest London? I guess it's Northwest. Anyway, it's a nice open field here. We're between Harrow and Brent. I'm checking the borough borders when I'm flying from the London Borough of Brent. So yeah, hopefully it should be an amazing drone flight. So I'm just going to do a 360 photo, and then we're going to zip around this area. So let's do a 360 photo. I've come here from the Metropolitan Line from Uxbridge, and Northwick Park is on the way. This is one of my drone flight locations, so I decided to come here. 360 degree photo is now complete. Let's just zip around this area. So let's just explore towards here. So it's not supposed to be a windy day today, but somehow the wind picked up. So it's absolutely baking it today. 34 degrees it reached. I'm checking the weather now, it's 34 degrees. That is a tremendous amount of heat that we're getting today. That's a train line, Metropolitan Line. Yeah, it's tremendously hot today. But sunscreen is essential in this weather. UV index is high. I'm wearing it right now. I'm standing in the shade, so it should be good. We're protected from the elements of the sun. So there's Sainsbury's right over here. The high-speed train right over here. Where's it going to? Let's follow it. And just right over here, there's a Metropolitan Line train that just pulled up at the vicinity of a Northwick Park. We've got another high-speed Metropolitan Line train that's not terminating here somehow. It's continuing on. Things like a semi-fast train, like it misses stations to speed up the movement, and that's understandable because in rush hour you don't want to stop at stations that you don't want to stop at. At Northwick Park, it's not really that much of a busy station, that's why no one really stops here. We'll probably continue to areas like Preston Road, which is the next station, and then Wembley Park, which is right over here. Wembley is already, like, from here it looks like the stadium of Wembley is reachable, but it's because it's so tall that our drone won't anywhere near be able to reach that. So yeah, we won't be able to reach that. I mean, I've flown there, yes. In my last drone flight, I've actually flown, before Uxbridge, I've flown in Neasden, which is near Wembley anyway, in the London Borough of Brent. And I've been getting some cinematic shots, which is kind of amazing, and I've been doing it when I came here as well. And I've done it last time when I came to Northwick Park, but I didn't bring my drone. So yeah, it's just the residential areas now. Let's just explore this area down here. There's not much down here. I wonder what areas like Preston Road is. I think this is near Preston Road because the station is really close to each other. Well, I believe it's Preston Road. We're in an area called Kenton. So actually no, this is South Kenton, yeah. Where else should we go? Let's just look how big this field is. You know what I want to do? I want to get a low down shot, and we'll go at a tremendous speed. Because I'm at the end of the state park. I want to go as lower down to the park as possible. We're going to go so fast. See this? Alright, where are we? We're down here. We're gonna check this out. We're gonna go at such a fast speed. Well, let's see how fast we go. Look at that. Look how fast we're going. Oh my god. We went so low at one point. Look at this. Gotta be careful, we don't want to hit the tree. Look at that, it's so sick. Oh my god, oh my god, that is crazy. Like, it looks so nerve-wracking. Because it looks like you're going to hit something even though you're not. Oh no! It could be something so small like grass that made my drone knock over. Probably not that bad, but I don't know how the gimbal will be. Hopefully the gimbal's not damaged. It's probably not that bad because we landed on grass, but I took a tumble at Worcester Park as well. So here's the drone. Yeah, it's not that bad. If I hit something hard, it would have been really bad. Aircraft sitting for extended period, it got really hot. Let me turn the drone off. I'm gonna go back in the shade, take off again. Hopefully the gimbal's not too bad. It probably hit this. Like my screen, sometimes the FPS goes down. Like it got frozen, and then I just saw error messages, and I was like, what happened there? Because I knew I was not far from the ground. But now looking here, the drone must have hit this, and it must have tumbled over. So what I'm gonna have to do now, I'm gonna have to wait for the drone to cool off. It doesn't look damaged at all, so. Right, I think our drone's cooled down enough. I've been standing in the shade, so hopefully this gimbal's alright. Okay, so the gimbal seems to be fine. Let's just make sure our drone hovers alright. We're gonna do a hover test just to make sure the drone still flies alright. I couldn't see that very, very short grass from far away. Like, it was really thin, but that was enough to make the drone fall over. Alright, drone's flying completely fine. No issues. So yeah, no issues with the gimbal. That's all I'm worried about. So yeah, I'm glad that the drone's alright. What we're gonna do, we're just gonna explore. We're gonna finish off this drone flight. And hopefully there's no issues. Hopefully there's no shaky footage of my camera with my gimbal, because I noticed a bit of shakiness when it was windy. But I had only a few tumbles. It was not that much of a tumble, but I had a few tumbles. So yep, I just really hope that there's no issues with the gimbal further on from that little hit. Just gotta be careful. I'm not gonna fly low down because I couldn't see that grass from far away. Like, it's like long grass, and it's so thin that I couldn't tell that I was gonna hit the drone. Like, I saw the drone was clear, no obstacles in the way, and somehow my drone still fell over. So I was thinking of doing a 3rd drone flight, but I'm thinking it's going to get later in the day, so I'll probably just do one today. because I want to make the most out of this weather. The weather's going to get, it's going to not be as good after this. I want to make the most out of this nice weather. I think that's an Avanti West Coast train. So what's down here? We've got the area of Northwick Park. What else have we got? We've got a lot of buildings here. Let's explore this area. I just gotta hope there's no shaky footage. I hope this little tumble doesn't ruin my footage, because that's what happened to my previous drone. Short tumbles like this. There's a little bit of a breeze, which is good to cool me down, but it's not good for the drone because it's harder to fly with the winds. It's good for literally cooling me down, because I'm actually baking. Actually, when I was flying earlier in Uxbridge, it was baking. Now it's a lot cooler because it's lower down in the sky. I think I should avoid flying in hot weather. Got some construction here, gentrification, Northwick Park, Riverside, Parkside. So I'm so, you know what? I've got Barking Riverside in my mind, and I somehow said Barking Riverside. It's just actually so funny. Check out what this chimney has to offer. And we've got a crane. We're not going to go close to the crane, but we're going to get a shot of around the crane. What else have we got in this area? I mean, obviously these drone flights are like a timeline of what London is. So it's kind of amazing how my YouTube channel is literally a timeline of London. So right now, 2026, May or June 2026, whenever I'll be uploading this is what it looks like, this area. And maybe in like a few years time, I'll do another drone flight here, and we'll be able to see the progress of this, how this is developed. It's the same thing as when I flew in Barking Riverside. It's developing, and I'll do another drone flight there in the future. Same thing with when I flew in Gallows Corner, and because I had a flyover on the road, which they're almost done now. It's pretty much nearly done, and yeah, I could do an update drone flight there as well in the future. Got another building over here. What else have we got in this area? Yeah, nice little area to fly our drone. Got a Metropolitan Line train coming. Let's track that down. Or is it going eastbound or westbound? We've got a train right here anyway. Let's go towards Kenton side. Kenton, which is London Borough of Harrow. I mean, half of it's in Harrow, half of it's in Brent. Just get a shot in this area down here. There's a lot down here, but it's a bit far. Plus our battery's running a little bit low. Right, gonna bring our drone back now, so if a train comes, you can get a low down shot near the train, if it comes. Yeah, we've got a train coming. Let's get a low down shot of that quickly. Oh, our beeping started now. I think it's gonna go past. Yeah, it's one of these semi-fast trains that don't stop at Northwick Park. Right, let's land it here now. There's some smoke going on down there. Look at that. What's going on down there? Emergency landing. Alright, that was my amazing drone flight here in Northwick Park, London Borough of Brent, North West London. So yeah, I don't know what's going on down there. I don't know if our drone captured it or not. So anyway, I'm going to end this drone flight now. I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll speak to you in the next one. Thank you for watching.